Alright, how you doing guys today? Today I'm in the Renon in Denpasar. Renon is the kind of area in Denpasar where is there so many headquarters of the companies and nice residential area for the middle, high and high class people. And as you can see around, life is as usual. The park is officially closed, I think, because it's still some gates and everything, as you are not allowed to come. However, I will show you guys around. So many people playing football, kids running, jogging and basketball over here somewhere and everything. So I think people in Denpasar, they just trying to live as usual. So this is the current update from Denpasar, because every day I coming into touristic area like Sanur, Canggu, Luvatu, Seminyak, something like that. So today's guys, I just want to show you how it looks live in Denpasar.
It's good to be back again. But I feel I must warn you, we didn't part as friends. If you remember me, there's no way I could know. But I walked right up and you opened up the door. It's strange, but I could fall in love with you right here, right now. Yeah, I could fall in love.
As you can see behind me, a lot of people. Life as usual.
Right now, but would it be to want the moon? I fear somehow. Yeah, I could fall in love with you, but I won't. Not here.
Alright, so as you can see, the life in Denpasar in Renon is as usual. Kids playing, people exercising. Hello! Kids are happy. So everything it seems as normal as usual. People enjoying their time outside. So
It's strange, but I could fall in love with you right here, right now. Yeah, I could fall in love with you, oh, right here, right now. Would it be to want the moon? Well, I feel somehow that I will fall in love.
alright, so that's the short update from Denpasar, from Renon, how it looks the situation out here. And as you can see, is a lot of people doing exercise, sport, trainings, everything, playing football, kids playing around. Anyway, if you like the videos and if you like what we do every single day, please subscribe, like the video, comment below what do you think. Maybe something is what you would like to see tomorrow, just let us know. And as always, see you tomorrow, new video, 7 p.m. Bali time, GMT+8. See ya.
Yes, I will.